Hi everybody, it's Mindy, and I have a video for you today, and it's an exciting one because I have my Book of the Month box. Yes, and look, it's a fat one. It means I got more than one. As you know, you can do add-ons with Book of the Month. You get to choose from 5 books that they have selected for the month, and then you can choose an add-on. So I think it's $14.99 for the first book, $9.99 for the add-on. You can go back, you can look at past months, you can hunt for different books, you can search, all kinds of stuff. So, are you ready to see what I got? Are you ready? First one on top is my Book of the Month selection. This would be for March. And then my add-on. So, let me show you what I got. Here is the book I chose. They all have the little Book of the Month logo at the top, so you'll know their Book of the Month when you put them on your shelf. And this is one of the choices. In a book club far away, Tiff Marcello. Okay? It's about a book club. And I'm doing a book club. So I thought, well, how interesting is that, right? Apparently, there's a few other titles by this author. I've never heard of this author, but hey, you know, I'm up for new things. Regina, Adelaide, and Sophie used to be best friends as army wives. They bonded through their book club and soon became inseparable. A betrayal shattered the trust among the group, and the friendship ended abruptly. That is why 8 years later, Regina and Sophie are shocked when they get a call from Adelaide. Adelaide's husband is stationed abroad, and without any friends or family near her new home, she has no one to help take care of her daughter while she undergoes an emergency surgery. For the sake of an old friend, they reluctantly agree to put their differences aside to help. They reunite, they must overcome their past hurts, and see if there's any future for their friendship. Okay, it features the books that brought them together in the first place. That's kind of cool. And it's about the power of female friendship and how love can defy all old wounds. I hope that they figure it out. It's a pretty hefty book. It's 400 pages or so. Oh, and it looks like it's going to be written by different perspectives. Like this chapter says Adelaide. So that's going to be a chapter that Adelaide is the point of view. Yeah. And then this chapter is Regina. And it looks like it hops around a little bit too, from present to past. Very interesting. So I thought that sounded fun. That is a new book for 2021. It also says March 2021 on the back. So you would know that this was your book of the month for that month and that year. I just noticed that for the first time. Cool. All right. So that one sounded good, didn't it? This one I have heard lots and lots of good things about. It has been hyped up like crazy. It's a young adult YA. I don't really know that I've read much YA, but I could not help but pick this one up. Legendborn, Tracy Deonn. I've heard so much about this and how good this sounded. This is totally something different for me. This is a stretch, okay? This is out of my comfort zone. Oh, wow. There's a whole list of things in the back about bloodlines, information you need to help you understand like characters in the story and things like that. Okay. All right. Well, here's what this has to say. After her mother dies in an accident, 16-year-old Bree wants nothing to do with her family memories or her childhood home. A residential program for bright high schoolers seems like the perfect escape until she witnesses a magical attack the very first night on campus. Oh dear. A flying demon is feeding on human energy. There's a secret society called the Legendborn. And a mysterious teenage mage, I think that's how you say that, or mage, I don't know, who calls himself a Merlin and who attempts and fails to wipe Bree's memory of everything she saw. He fails, and Bree's unique magic and buried memory, hidden connection of the night her mother died, there was another Merlin that was at the hospital. Now that Bree knows there's more to her mother's death than what's on the police report, she'll do whatever it takes to find out the truth, even if it means infiltrating the Legendborn as one of their initiates. Interesting. So it's like, it says it's like a King Arthur kind of thing, magic system in here. And I think she discovers that she has magic. And maybe there's been magic in her family all along. I don't know. So it sounded interesting. When the shadows rise, so will the light. When blood is shed, blood will call. By the king's table, for the order's might, by our eternal oaths, the line is law. So I had heard so much good things about it, I had to pick it up, and it's going to be on my to-read list. Okay, so that's what I got for the month of March from my Book of the Month Club. What'd you get? Did you get anything? If you haven't, check out Book of the Month. They have really nice books. They're all hardcover. Good price. Yeah. And they have quite a variety of titles to choose from each month. So there you have it. So until next time, I will talk to you soon. Happy reading. Have a great day. Bye.